Meaning of farthest.
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 Farthest. The word farthest is the superlative form of the adjective far. It refers to the greatest distance or remoteness. When we use farthest, we are indicating the maximum distance something or someone has traveled or can travel. For example, in a race, the contestant who reaches the finish line at the greatest distance from the starting point is said to have traveled farthest. In general, farthest indicates the greatest degree of separation, distance, or remoteness between two or more points or objects.